Today we're going to replace one of the cooling fans on a 2000 Acura Integra LS. We're going to replace that fan with a used fan because the new ones can be pretty expensive. So this one was found at the junkyard, and we'll replace this one with the junkyards. And the tools needed, just a couple of screwdrivers. This is the fan that we're going to replace, the one on the passenger side. There's two, but we're going to replace the one on the passenger side, this one. So, okay, we're going to take this overflow hose off, and we're going to take this radiator hose off. And then that way we can take the bolts out and should be able to slide the fan up. And there's one connector here. And should be able to slide up, should be able to get this done in probably about 5 or 10 minutes. We just disconnected the overflow and the top radiator hose and the electrical connector here. We just disconnect that, and so now we just have a few bolts to take out. It's two, one here and one over here. And then we just slide the fan unit right out. Okay, we've loosened everything, and now all we have to do is just slide the old one out. Here it is. And the problem was, see, it just what's wrong with it. It's just making too much noise. Just wobble. Now we want to check and make sure everything is going to fasten and connect, and that these two are the same. Okay, that we have the two holes here to connect on the top, and this is the old one here, and one is broken there, and we have the two holes and the two slots for the bottom where you slide it in. Have your wire where you connect, and here we have the wire. So we'll install it and see what happens. Okay, the slots, here's a slot, and here's a slot to slide down in to fasten the bottom, and then you just connect it right over here, fasten the top, and you assemble everything back together and see what happens. Before we go through all of the work reassembling this fan, what we're going to do, we're going to connect the electrical connector, and we're going to test it and see if it'll work. So we're going to test it outside before we get it connected. Nothing is happening, so we got a problem. Let's see what happens. So we just kind of jumped in these two wires to make sure that the fan was good. So the fan is good, so let's see what the connection is about. Okay, we have the fan connected back. We just put the radiator hose back on, and now we're connecting the overflow, and we're gonna test it and see if everything is working. All right, turn it on. Let's see what we have. And there you have it, folks. There you have it. It's connected. Both of them operating properly. And I hope you learned something from this video. Remember to subscribe to the Tuskegee Television Network, Inc. for all of your how to do it projects.